Let's do this. Dude, I almost died to that guy. I'm healing Ty, sorry. I got him. Let's do that again.
Respawn. And again, and again.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, fuck.
Whoa,
Very
whoa,
low,
whoa.
very, very low.
Good job.
Dead. Let's do that again. Oh, shh. Oh, damn, I'm low. Good job, Ty.
Yeah. I find that.
Down the caustic.
Low.
Let's add some
Nice.
more chat.
Purple armor. One guy's pushing.
Yeah. There's 2 more as well.
I like dogs and cats.
Mirage is 1 HP. Dead.
Right this bin.
Lifeline.
There was another team over here as well. Close.
Any pop battery.
Him. I'm on the truck.
That nade. Throwing these off the jump pad.
Nice.
I hate how it's not accurate, dude. Bothers me. I'll kill Lifeline.
One's on your right.
Lifeline's dead.
2 of them.
Hannah, you're on an island for a sec. We have,
Knocked one.
we have another team. Hannah, I'm coming.
Here.
Yep. Another team. I knocked
Tyler,
one.
Tyler, you're on an island now?
Yeah.
One's chasing.
Yeah, chasing. Dead. Alright, going back, Ty.
Yeah.
One's low. Let's go, baby! I'm coming, Ty. Good job.
I'm good.
That guy got destroyed.
On the right.
Team on top as well.
This team's dead. Oh, nice shot. I got grabbed.
Come in.
Okay.
I am,
You know where
I am
from?
safe. From the tower, right side of the tower. Whoops. Bad thing.
Okay.
Last guy has a crab.
I don't.
Under me?
Caustic.
Dead. Good job. Hell yeah. Dead for 40. Broke a shield. He's low, Ty. The other
Yeah,
one,
dead.
I'm dead though. Fuck.
Guy on the left.
I'm dead. Wait. Nope, I'm not. Go, Hannah. Go, Hannah. Go, Hannah. Got him.
Yay.
Nice. Good job.
Nice. You're a robot.
Did it go?
It got hit off the drone.
Oh no.
It went off the jump pad.
Bobo?
Come here.
That's so funny.
I heard the noise and I didn't see anyone take the jump pads. So I don't know what happened. Guys on me?
Team in here. Yeah.
Wait, nobody got that guy's purple armor, by the way. I broke blue armor on one. Purple armor. Behind you, behind you. Bangler, Bangler. I'll kill her. Or Octane, rather. I'll kill Octane. Whoever the hell this is.
On me. Behind you guys.
Behind me with purple armor. Up on me. I'm dead. Oh, man. What the hell happened?
Me and Ty.
What? That was such a lame, like, play that they did. I don't even understand why they did that.
Oh, I'm
shit.
getting sniped. Ah!
Are you
I
okay?
had to get that body armor.
I need light ammo. I don't have any.
I knew there was purple shield there, so I was going. Guys on me, real close. Purple armor on Mirage. 1 HP on purple.
Yeah.
Oh no. Race low. Mirage dead. Race dead.
Nice.
Lifeline. That's one. Very low. No, 1 HP. Oh. One of them had purple armor, by the way.
Yeah, you get it.
Almost had you, GG. Oh, that's why you rushed me. I was so confused. I didn't understand. Because you guys won the fight against my teammates, but then you gave up the fight to go kill me. And I didn't understand why. It made no sense. There was no logic to the reason of you guys pushing me like that. And I was just trying to understand what you guys were thinking. But that makes sense if you knew it was... Oh, me! Broke 1 armor, Wraith. Bangler's 1 HP. Nice. Pathfinder's broken armor too. Wraith's dead.
Push him.
Enemy down. Whole squad ate my dust.
There's another team on our left too.
I'm gonna die, I think. Wraith's kind of low. Nice. Thank you. You saved my life, Ty.
No, top of the wall.
I have no batteries.
All the donations given
I got
today
you.
go to charity right.
I have some too here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll
Mark.
split it.
One up top.
I'll split it based on the 3 that we choose. What happened to my jump pad?
Top as well. Behind you, Mike.
Yeah.
And you, yeah, for the bubble.
Thanks.
Good.
I didn't realize there was a guy behind me, so that helped. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
You're going right. No.
I hit myself. God damn it, Michael. What are you doing? They really need to rework Gibraltar's shields. His Q is so bad. It definitely helps out the enemy more than you.
Yeah, because certain ways, yeah.
Like, I mean, there can be a way that you could use it. I don't know.
Where the fuck I am.
Maybe, maybe not. I've just never seen it used very well. That's the thing. Thank you, man.
Team on the drop.
Yeah, my surgery's Friday. I appreciate it,
top
my
of the
dude.
wall.
My doodle.
Okay.
Camping above me, last team. They're all up here. One's on the outside of the fence.
Got one. Ah! No, man. I'm down. Yep.
Yep.
That was the guy that downed me. I don't know where the other
Yep.
one went. You want me to fall or you want to just win?
You can
I'll fall.
do
Whatever.
both.
I got hit by a Gibraltar ult and it owned me. That's why I died.
The Apex champions.
Say what? Invite only or whatever. Oh, damn, there's people all over. What the heck? What the heck? There's one more in this building, Ty.
One's in the hut. One
Behind you,
came in.
behind you.
Aww.
I think there's more. Oh, wait, what? In.
Doorway?
Down. Nice, Ty.
What the fuck is going on, dude?
One more.
my
69. Dead.
Oh my god.
Another one.
One. Oh, that's you.
Give me another one.
Hold on, I'm using a syringe.
For real.
Sick.
Lifeline.
Yeah. Where's it? He's rezzing. I'm running out. Low. Lifeline low.
I am down.
Hand, I need you. Hand, I need you. Hand, I
I'm
need you.
here.
Dropping right.
Reloading.
Can you back up to this robot?
I get it.
Okay, or that. And I'm glad you do. Oh my god, I'm gonna nade all these guys.
Grenade out. Grenade out.
Oh my god! More help! No!
Are they in bunker?
I'm dead.
I'm coming.
No, my gold! Fuck, I'm on HP. No, I didn't realize I was so alone, man.
Ah.
It's a full team.
Inside.
And like, I don't know. I think I hear shit or something.
Mm-hmm. Bangler's 1 HP. Bangler's dead.
Down one. Reloading. Jump pad out. Reloading.
I'm dead.
Down.
Two separate teams fighting. Or wait. No?
Oh no.
Is this guy really doing this right now? Why are you trying to thirst me, my dude?
2 teams. One low and me.
Making contact with enemy.
I'm down. Shit.
Reloading.
I didn't pick up that purple armor. Are you fucking
He's
kidding
on
me?
my right.
Bullshit.
Close to me.
I don't know if
Another
I
rock.
could.
He's pushing up.
One's chasing you.
Another team's flanking him.
To the right. Oh, grenade, no.
Right?
One to the left.
Right down.
Low. That guy's in the wrong.
I lost my comfort spot because we had to move my keyboard around and it was in like the perfect position and I just don't know where it is and I can't find it. I can't find it again. I'm sad.
On my left.
I am taking fire, friends.
Yeah.
Throwing jump pad. Fire in the hole.
Oh, oh, the combo, baby.
That is a combo.
Hello.
Push him.
That was sick. My arc star hit him for 100. That was the highest
Damn.
damage I've done on that thing, I think.
Yeah. Fuck.
I swear I got an R301 every game. Like immediately. It's great.
Reloading.
So purple armor broken.
Reloading.
Uh,
Reloading. Down more. Healing. Ah, this is taking
Right
too
here,
long.
by the drive. Huh?
Reloading.
Phased out. Take that portal, yeah?
Jeez, that wingman did a lot of damage.
Squad ate my dust.
If they do add solos, they need to add a kill health regain like in Fortnite. Then it'd be more stable to take on fights. Well, you might not need that in solos, man. The main reason why you get third party a lot in squads in this game is because there's 3 people. So you got to down 3 people. And you're taking a lot of time to down and kill 3 people, right? If you're playing solos, you take a 1v1, you win the 1v1, and then you really quickly can just swap his armor or whatever, and then you're back, you know? I don't think it would be that big a deal in solo. They also don't even need to add solo, so it's not a big deal. Doesn't matter.
In the street. Two of them. Knocked one.
Yeah, one down. Only one up.
Reloading. Reloading. That one's out for the count. He's got him.
Oh. Who wants to go off-road? One down.
Self-res? Wait,
Yeah, I think
that's
so.
another team?
Charging on
Maybe-
my shields.
That's another team.
Maybe this
that's
guy
another.
was-
That's part of another team. Weird.
Maybe this guy's a stream sniper.
That was weird.
Tried to cap
That
you,
was
bro.
a really weird encounter.
Okay.
I wish when you took Octane's jump pad, you were a little bit more accurate. Like, and not just Octane, anyone, you know? I feel like it's not really fair. Angler's down.
Downed another one. Reloading. Whole squad ate my dust. Healing.
I think they're gonna be near me somewhere.
We're already
Okay.
Either here or like towards water treatment. They were definitely down. Oh yeah, on me. Saw 'em.
got trouble here.
Yeah, I hear him.
Okay.
I'm coming. One's behind.
Oh my god!
Reloading. Down that one.
Come on, man. Am I not gonna fucking kill that guy? What a joke.
Too long.
Mastiff's so crazy, dude. You get hit for like 40 and then all of a sudden a 150 comes out of nowhere.
Who's ready to fly
Yeah.
the zip line?
What a drop.
Jump pad
Phased out. Heading towards you, Hannah.
Okay, okay.
Just one guy. Sneaky snake.
All right.
You are the Apex champions.
All right. Okay. A little bit of a recap of what happened. Okay, friends?